you looking to attract songbirds to your landscape? If so, you want to consider a viburnum called arrowwood viburnum. Many songbirds find this to be their home, and it will attract all kinds of songbirds to your landscape. The arrowwood viburnum is also easy to grow. Normally, it's found along the edge of a wood line. It likes a little bit of shade, and it can grow underneath walnut trees if that's a problem that exists in your landscape. If you need arrowwood viburnums, you can call us at Highland Hill Farm. We raise lots of arrowwood viburnums. These are arrowwood viburnums used as a hedge. These have been in about 5 years. This hedge is a very thick and full hedge. The particular variety of viburnum that this is called the Chicago luster. It will have a glossy green leaf, white flowers, and then blue berries in the summer. One of the advantages of viburnums is you can cut these down in a hedge, and it's very, very bird friendly. And you can't damage them by trimming. You can cut this down to 2 feet or 1 feet, and it will grow right back. It's a very hardy native plant to Pennsylvania and eastern U.S. locations. And we do grow these at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. You can give us a call at 215-651-8329 for your viburnums. We have plenty. These are our blue muffin viburnums in pots. They're about 30 inches, 28 to 30 inches, and they put out multiple stems, as you can see, with white flowers in the springtime and blue berries in the fall, turning to a red color foliage for your fall pleasure. This is Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA, and we have plenty of them. This is the cranberry viburnum, and it has a beautiful red berry which birds eat during the middle of the winter. These are double file viburnums with bright white layered flowers.